to draw by showing it many examples and letting it figure out the underlying patterns until the reconstruction error is minimized, indicating a potential fraud. Building and training autoencoders has become more accessible with the availability of deep learning frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. These frameworks provide the necessary tools and libraries to implement and experiment with different autoencoder architectures. However, it's important to note that designing and training autoencoders effectively requires careful consideration. Factors like the choice of activation functions, the number of layers, and the size of the latent space can significantly impact performance. Moreover, it's crucial to choose an appropriate loss function and optimizer for training. Regularization techniques can also be employed to prevent overfitting and improve generalization ability. Experimentation and fine-tuning are key to achieving optimal results.